Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening sheets and choosing a template or blank spreadsheet. Name it so you can find it later. Once done, create a header row, freeze it, and assign column types like date or number so entries behave correctly. Now input one realistic sample row to test formats and calculations. This avoids chasing formatting errors later. Make sure to adjust column widths and use simple cell styles for clarity. This small prep accelerates every step you take next. Now you build the sheet's core, formulas and controls that do the work for you. Start with SUM and average, then add conditional logic with IF and lookups using XLOOKUP or index plus match so changes propagate automatically. Once formulas are stable, add data validation lists and conditional formatting to prevent errors and highlight exceptions. Use named ranges for readability and create a pivot table or query to summarize. Finally, lock key formulas or protect ranges so collaborators don't break your calculations. To finish, make the sheet easy to consume. Build a simple dashboard, add charts, and set filtered views for different audiences so they see only what matters. Once done, share with specific permissions and ask reviewers to comment rather than edit. Also create a named version checkpoint. If something breaks, don't panic. Audit formulas, trace precedents, and check cell formatting or accidental text values. One troubleshooting tip: use stepwise isolation. Copy a problematic formula to a test cell and simplify it until you find the bad piece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.